guys, vanakkam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. இதுவரைக்கும் நீங்க சப்போர்ட் பண்ணதுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. It has just motivated me to do more videos for you guys and எல்லாரும் நிறைய different types of videos எனக்கு request பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. Even I am working hard towards it. We are all quarantining and yes, entertainment is really important. Nayagi கூட episodes இல்லாதனால telecast பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. And இப்போ currently இருக்கிற episodesல வந்து நான் இல்ல. My entry also will be there at the earliest. As you know, I'm the third and Nayagi. Apart from that, எனக்கு வந்து இன்னும் நிறைய videos பண்ணணும்னு இருக்கு, but resources எல்லாம் இல்லாதனால கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்குது. But yeah, we will figure out anyways. In today's video, you will be getting to know me a little more better nu sollalam. Yana today's video is Q&A. Like you have all posted a couple of questions for me via email and even on my Instagram, and I'm really excited for this one because I don't know, it's always good to communicate like this. Orthara patti therinjikkiradhu rombo important. Thank you so much for all the support that you have given me, shown me so far, in spite of being antagonist Billy of Sun TV serials. You have shown me so much of love, which is incredible, and I am not an outspoken person like how you are seeing me right now, but ninga kudukra and the reviews, feedbacks is motivating me more, and I am becoming a better person day by day. Welcome to my channel, and today's video will be about the questions that you have asked me. I'll be answering to all the questions, but the few are like selective because I don't want to answer anything and everything, like fave color, where do I buy my clothes, jewels and all. Yeah, so this is quite kind of like okay, this is quite exciting to everybody, those who are watching Nayagi. இந்த அனன்யா பொண்ணு எங்கிருந்து தான் அவ ட்ரெஸ் வாங்குறா, கம்மல் வாங்குறா, எல்லாமே இவ்வளவு சூப்பரா இருக்குன்னு நிறைய வாட்டி நான் கமெண்ட்ஸ்ல கூட படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். And it's all so simple. I do more of internet surfing before buying any product, and in Bangalore commercial street la da na shopping pandrathu. Apart from that, ipo enak edachu paatha enak pudichuchuna I just go grab it. And most of the clothes are actually sponsored by UC Shop, so you can if you really want to buy sarees and costumes, that most of the thing, if you find it on UC Shop, you can get it. In-depth details of from where I buy my clothes, I will tell you later in another video. And when it comes to jewels, I buy it from street side shops only. You get more varieties in affordable prices. Apart from that, I shop from Shein and Club Factory because horror scene ko I have to keep changing my earrings, chains and so many things. How do you feel about being an inspiration to many all over the world by Madhuri? To be an inspiration to all over the world, this itself is like a great news for me. Everybody has some or the other thing to do in their life. For me, if my ways of doing few things are being taken as an example or being inspiring, then what more could I ask for, isn't it? Best moments in Nayagi. First of all, Nayagi itself, best thing that happened to me in my life. A lot of interviews have told that Nayagi is like a true blessing in my life. And every moment spent in Nayagi is best moment. I cannot differentiate any. So that's it. The pigmentation poga edachu sollunga. First, you need to cleanse your skin. Skin எப்பவுமே clean-ஆ வச்சுக்கோங்க. Wash பண்ணுங்க, அடிக்கடி wash பண்ணுங்க. நல்ல face wash use பண்ணுங்க. Don't use a soap. நல்ல doctor கிட்ட போங்க. Next, I'm planning to do a skincare based video. So adula na use பண்ண products, na consult பண்ற doctor and எல்லா details na adula போடுவேன். So please stay tuned. Cucumber cut பண்ணி you can keep it on your face, but I would actually recommend you to going to a doctor because also நிறைய பேரோட body different ஆ இருக்கு, hormonal changes இருக்கு, or maybe genetic reasons நால உங்களுக்கு இந்த pigmentations இருக்கலாம். The reasons may vary, so it's better to consult the best doctor. Next, cereal. Next serial enakku pandradhukku aase irukudhu, but I'm just waiting for a good opportunity. Let's see. Next serial ah irukkalam, next movie ah irukkalam, it could be next anything. Are you married? I wish I was married in real, but unfortunately no, I'm not married right now. Would you plan to meet fans? Of course, why not? I just doubt if anybody of you will come if we arrange like a meet and greet. We were planning for it. UC shop had plans to organize it, but we don't know if how many of you would come. But if you guys really suggest, if you guys really want it to happen, then yes, we are open to it. We'll talk about this more later on. Secret of beauty, Thambi or Tangichi, whoever I've asked this secret, there is nothing like that. Take care of yourself mentally, physically, everything depends on yourself. You need to take care of yourself, your skin. You need to keep yourself hydrated, like tension-less, worry-less life. But yeah, that's impossible. But you need to calm and meditate more. And however you look, no matter you look fat, thin, dark, fair, whatever it is, you need to accept yourself. நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்களோ நீங்க அப்படி உங்களை நீங்க அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டா you are beautiful the way you are. See, எனக்கு வந்து height இல்ல, I'm just 5'2", இருந்தாலும் I'm able to do whatever I can do, இல்லையா? So that doesn't matter. You're beautiful the way you are. So every day when you wake up in the morning, just remind yourself you're the most beautiful person in the world, and I'm sure it will make your day. What was my first job? I was working in Kannada film industry as costume designer, and that is my first paid job. Few words about Meera Chechi. Meera Chechi, what can I say? She's really cute, sweet person, and அவங்க வேலைன்னு வரும்போது she is very professional. She is owed to whatever she is doing. ஜாலியாக இருக்கும் அவங்க கூட ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஏன்னா கட் சொல்லும் போது ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு ஜோக் சொல்லி சிரிக்க வச்சிருவாங்க, அண்ட் சீரியஸாகவே இருக்காது. லைக் ஒன்லி டியூரிங் அந்த 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 ஆக்ஷன் டு கட் சொல்லும் போது அந்த சுச்சுவேஷன் சீரியஸாக இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அது நம்ம வேர்ல்டு தான். Why do you think Nayagi is special? Nayagi is truly a life-changing thing that ever happened to me. அதெல்லாம் நான் முன்னாடிலேருந்தே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் இது தெரியும். இப்போ இவ்வளோ கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக உங்கள் முன்னாடி இவ்வளோ பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா இட்ஸ் ரியலி பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த எக்ஸ்போஷர் தட் I've got through Nayagi. And there are hundreds of reasons, but one of the most important reason is this. And the people that I've met here have been inspiring me since then I met them. So that's why it's really important. Your inspiration. Okay, my inspiration from my childhood is APJ Abdul Kalam. Sir has told us, to dream as much as possible, and I have never failed to dream. Can you do craft on channel? Sure, why not? I've been doing it. I'm preparing for it. There are a lot of things to do, but as I said, we are all quarantining, we are locked down. We don't have enough resources to do it. So yeah, once I get all the resources, I will definitely teach n number of things on the channel. What do you think of people attacking doctors even at this time? Oh my god, this is such a horrible news. Adukku dhaan solradhu, education is really important. Time of world crisis like this, attacking doctors is really so stupid. The young generation has to teach the older ones that not to do it. Tips for becoming an actress. First of all, to become an actor, you need to believe that you know to act, that you know to do some acting, and that you can face millions of audience with the confidence. Because when you're an actor, you need to be very confident in front of the camera. See, right now also I'm just talking to a camera, imagining I'm giving the message to millions of people out there. You need to be very eye-catchy. You need to work on your self-development, and mostly practice in front of the mirror. At the same time, follow all the pages, production company pages, and keep giving yourself auditions. Keep attending. If you know somebody who is in this field already, you can take their advice as well. How to overcome negative distractions. See, when there is something positive flowing in your life, negative is natural. To avoid negativity, just keep yourself busy in doing the things that you love to do. Invest your time in improving yourself by doing the things that you love. So that way you can actually, get away from negative distractions. I feel so good by telling you things that I do the most. If you were not in fashion and media, what would you be? Okay, if I was not in fashion or media, I would probably become a teacher, because I love teaching, I love mentoring, I love to teach something that I know. Like, just like how other teachers do. They're so inspiring. If they weren't there, how could we even learn basic things in our life, right? So I would like to be a teacher or mentor or even a dance instructor. In fact, I was a dance teacher before. So yeah, I would have been a dance teacher or a teacher if I was not in this media field. Working experience with Vidya Chechi and Dilip. I am always like, kebab mein haddi. So I am that one person who is not even required in that place. And working with them is actually, when they say cut, it's all so jolly. We talk about life, we talk about the projects that we've been doing apart from Nayagi, and we talk about so many things in general. And when they say action, we all be like, oh, all that. Nobody is, with me in the serial, and as you know, all are against me in the serial. So it's actually fun. Since I am the youngest among both of them, I'm treated most of the time like as if I'm a small baby or something. They keep conjifying me. Working with these two guys are really, really good. They both are on screen, they both are like best couples, but off screen as individuals, they're really great at whatever they're doing. I want to know your height. I just mentioned that my height is 5'2" and bit tight, and my height is just like the starting of any girl's height should actually be, and I'm really not ashamed of it. I'm really proud of it. I'm happy with whatever I have. I've accepted myself, and I'm really happy because I can fit in any place. Any kutti chair you give me, I can go fit in there. Height has got nothing to do with my character. So yeah, my height is 5'2" and I'm happy about it. Do you have plans for designing for plus size models? Yes, of course. See, you all know that I have a brand called Something by Sushma Nair. So in this brand, we mainly focus on delivering things which is for everybody. Okay, when you're a kid, oldie, plus size, very thin, doesn't matter. We will provide you whatever service you want. So plus size models, let's not differentiate that. Whatever clothes I design is for everybody. Is fashion your passion? How and from where did you get courage to be an entrepreneur? So yes, fashion is my passion since my childhood. When I was in high school, I decided I wanted to become a fashion designer. Since then, I've been working so much towards this. Actually, I was not that good at my studies, but then my dad told me if I want to do what I want to, pursue in my degree, I should like take distinctions, like 85% plus. So I studied in State Board, Bangalore. So for me as an average student, this was like a big deal. Okay, getting a distinction and all was like a big deal. But then I worked hard for it, and yes, I did pursue 85+% in my 10th and 12th as well, and then I took up fashion designing in my degree. I'm very proud of it. From the day I started going to college, I decided by the end of my college I should do something remarkable so that my college will call me back for something someday. So before graduating, I decided, I should start my own brand. I should start my own label. So that's how Something by Sushma Nair came in Jan of 2018, which is before I graduated from my college. I launched my brand. You yourself as an individual are like a brand, and you need to sell yourself. The more people know about you, the more people will follow your work, the more people will consider you as a role model, and then they'll find their own ways to do things for themselves and work hard in their respective fields. So that is really important, and I wanted to do something like that. That's how I am an entrepreneur today, and I'm really glad and happy about it. And thanks to those who are accepting me to whatever I'm doing until today. Thank you so much. Please keep supporting me like this, because your support motivates me to do more. Thank you. Why don't you dub for Ananya? Of course, I wish I could dub for Ananya, but நீங்க வந்து என் தமிழ்ல கேட்டிருப்பீங்க. It's not absolute fluent. Aishwarya enna vida nalla pandranga, and she completes Ananya character completely. So no doubt I don't want to spoil the taste of Ananya in that. Na pesna satyama comedy irukum. So it's better if Aishwarya continues with her job. So my friend has asked me, why am I so short? What can I do? It's a genetic problem. My mother is shorter than me, so yeah. And then Joshik has said, hi mom, how are you? Hi son, I'm too good. Hope you're doing fine. Stay home, you naughty guy. Last question is Rithika's. Actually, she has sent a ton of questions. So that's why I thought, okay, I will read it in the last. Sushma or Ananya, reason. See, it's both okay. Sushma and Ananya. I would choose both, because both, sometimes I see Ananya in me, because she never gives up. When I'm like that, I never give up on whatever I'm doing and whatever I'm striving hard for. So it's both. I mean, deliberately I don't have to say any reason, because I love myself and I love Ananya as well. I love playing Ananya's character, because in real, when you imagine, there's nobody like Ananya. So yeah, Sushma and Ananya, fashion designer or actress. I want to be more of a designer than of an actress, because designing is something which is always in my blood. My mom is very creative, so that creative part of me is always in my blood. So yeah, designer is what I would. Thank you so much guys. Ninga illame ivlo dooram na vandu in the YouTube channel kondu poirukka mudiyadhu. Right now we are at 1.58k subscribers irukanga. I hope many of you who haven't still subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. God bless, love and peace to all of you. Bye.